Kalau ni jam sekarang menunjukkan 8.10 minit keadaan trafik terkawal lagi, lancar.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. They can count on me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me
Drug inspector. He's the main doctor, Dr. Charter. He goes to all the
Dia suka around the world.
Always here.
Jentera ATC baru sudah warm up. Dan ni tunggu masa pit lane buka. Lepas tu mereka akan buat sighting lap untuk tunggu dekat grid, starting grid. Morning. Pintu dah dibuka. Kita dibenarkan duduk kat atas track. Kena tunggu kat atas rumput dulu. Sementara motor nak main kat grid lagi.
Please wait to the glass, please. Everybody's there. Maybe we can walk a little around,
Okay.
and then you come with me, and we will see the start from the wall.
Okay.
And we can see a couple of laps, and then we go.
Okay.
Okay?
Pit lane dah dibuka. Bagi dengan kita pusing satu lap, main berhenti kat sini. Kru-kru tengah bawa stand untuk tongkat motor lagi. Yang kau ni tolak ni ada untuk bagi pusing dari belakang untuk start engine motor. Apa nama apa benda ni. So dia dah sampai, dia akan berhenti dekat grid masing-masing. Grid untuk baju qualify kemarin ni. Rider ni berasal dari banyak negara. Bukan sahaja Asia, ada daripada US, Malaysia, Filipina, Thailand, Indonesia, India, China, Vietnam, Australia, lepas tu Palestin pun ada. Oh ni champion. 6 dah. Champion.
Dia punya pergi tadi?
Ya.
They will let us to go when it's 3 minutes, I think, and we meet there, and I'll take you to the wall to see the stars, so you can walk around now. Okay?
Depa bagi masa dalam 3 minit untuk kita ada kat grid ni untuk bergambar ke video ke apa. boleh pusing jumpa rider. Tapi jangan kacau depan pula, dia tengah fokus nak race tu.
Kalau jatuh dah tak ada wiper, boleh tolong lah.
Tolong ambil gambar. Ni Malaysia nya.
Ambil gambar. Boleh?
Ambil gambar tu.
Masuk lah.
Masuk, meh. Buka ramai.
Boleh.
Oh, everybody in.
Dah, in.
Yang mana? Gang Unify, meh. Gang Unify.
All the fans go in. Okay, come. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna come in with the camera. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Amazing.
Gulak. See?
Ya, dia dah. Dah, boleh satu lagi.
Oh, boleh satu lagi.
Ya, support.
Oh, support Malaysia.
Bilang Dia lagi. Okay, we ready. Big cheers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Malaysia boleh.
Saya boleh.
Satu Malaysia. Bunyi horn kapal tu tanda masa dah habis lah. Dah kena keluar, dah gerik. Kata safety ni pun dah start jalan lah, pusing track. Pami! Golak Pami! Ni kita on the way pergi kat wall pit tu. Kita nak tengok starting race lagi. Lepas tu kita tengok satu lap. Lepas tu boleh naik rooftop pula, tengok race daripada atas.
We have all the group together. Where is the rest of the people?
Behind. Unify.
Oh, okay, we are there, 8 of us.
Don't you want a salad?
PTC pun dah minta ni lah. Kalau MotoGP boleh tukar zat. cuaca hari ni panas elok, walaupun dia jangka hujan tapi tak ada nak hujan tu nampaknya hari ni. Habib mana Habib? Habib! Good lah Habib!
Habib! Raul!
Okey, habis dah tour dekat ATC grid kita. Race Moto3, Moto2, MotoGP pun dah habis. Kami duduk sini sampai senja malam, tengok suasana kat sini, tengok macam mana. Setakat ni sajalah tour kami dekat box Yamaha Pramac MotoGP, box ATC dengan starting grid ATC. Terima kasih kepada Unify, Sport TV dan Dona yang bagi peluang untuk kami tour dekat paddock MotoGP ni. Terima kasih kepada yang menonton, yang like, yang komen, yang subscribe. Semoga bertemu lagi di episod akan datang. Assalamualaikum.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand